Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly. And today this video is about OpenCore Legacy Patcher version 2.0.1 update. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. Today OCLP version 2.0.1 is released, which is a bug fix release for 2.0.0 to handle some bugs with NVIDIA GPUs and UI. Here you can see the list of models capable of running macOS Sequoia with OCLP 2.0. This OCLP version is exact same, just it got few bugs fixed for the NVIDIA GPUs and the UI. Talking about the version 2.1 changelog, fix MacBook Pro 13.3 listing available patches after having installed all applicable patches. Fix NVIDIA Tesla and Kepler patches not installing on Monterey, and older if applicable. Fix NVIDIA WebDrivers incorrectly listing OpenGL, Compat, and NVDA DRV VRL missing. So that was all about this new OCLP 2.0.1 update. If you use OCLP, you'll be notified that the update is available for OpenCore Legacy Patcher. To update to the current release of OCLP, click on Download and Install, and the new version will be downloaded. When you get the success message, click on Yes. After the OpenCore is built for your Mac, you'll be prompted with this option. Click on the Install to Disk option, and then from the list of disks, select the drive on which macOS is installed. And after that, click on the EFI partition and enter the password when prompted. When you get the success message, click on Yes from the menu. Click on the Start Root Patching option and proceed with all the prompts. Once you get this message, click on the Reboot option and then restart your Mac and you're done. And the Mac still boots up without any issues. Now let me also check whether the macOS update is being fetched or not. Here you can see the macOS Sequoia 15.0 upgrade is available for this unsupported Mac, which is the latest build available. So that was all about this OCLP version 2.0.1. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.